Alright, in today's video I will be showing you how to install all-in-one Microsoft Visual C++, so that you have the best desktop experience. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome, type in the search box Visual C++, all-in-one.
My own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach.
After that, click the blue download link.
Cries and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room.
Then choose the closest server. For me it is the United States.
It's alright, hush.
After that, open the folder of the downloaded zip archive and now open the extracted files, find install all.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just
Run the program as administrator, then wait until it completes the process.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My words
Now you have finished installing Microsoft's Visual C++. If you have any errors or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Also, like and subscribe. Have a great day.